The agricultural industry is the pillar on which global sustenance hangs, but it is experiencing immense stress. Climate change is the main threat to the global food supply, from which all other trickle-down stressors like soil erosion and depleted resources originate. There is a projected 2 to 6% decline in global crop yields per decade going forward due to climate change. That is a staggering rate of decline. The symptoms of our warming planet include drought, decreased water supplies, weather volatility, and the shifting of seasons, which invites further havoc from invasive species upon an agricultural landscape already under tremendous pressure. Add to this our ever-growing population and the urbanization of land once used in support of the global food supply, and the outlook for the agricultural industry comes squarely into focus. While the Industrial Revolution has been a major catalyst for climate change, it also birthed the technologies that are being put to work to mitigate its ill effects. Our farmers and the industries that support them are the heroes of the global community. The pulse of the global community literally depends on their success. The problems facing the agricultural industry are daunting, but not insurmountable. Technological innovation in support of the agricultural industry stands at the forefront of mitigating the effects of the eroding footprint of our global garden. Dragonfly is committed to supporting our farmers and the agricultural industry through innovation. We have engineered sensors and systems to map, monitor, and even manage a wide array of agricultural applications and multi-purpose drones like our Commander 3XL, which have been tailor-made for highly configurable sensor applications. Our technology is allowing farmers and other professionals within the industry to adapt to these challenges more efficiently by optimizing yield. The farming community is aging, and the new generation of farmers is invested heavily in sustainability and technology to optimize their business, and Dragonfly is heavily invested in innovating to ensure a bright future ahead.